Hey guys, so today Google released a new version of Chromium. Chromium is like a developer version of Chrome. It's basically the same thing but developer and more beta-ish. So Google released Google Chrome Canary build. Now this build comes before the developer version of Chrome. So I'll just quote little line here. It says so it's gonna update more frequently than the dev channel with more riskier changes, and it's going to be updated without human verifying that it works. So sometimes this might screw up, but hey, it's the early build. Also, this only works on Windows, and you cannot default this as your default browser. But why would you default this as your default browser? That's retarded. Because this is like the early version, so it's gonna crash. It's going to mess up. But you might even have extra features, you know. So just download it at the link in the description below. So anyways, just comment, rate, and subscribe.